Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside model making and engraving device, the model PMGS 12D4. Power output 22 watt, rotation speed 5000 to 23,000 RPM, rated drill bit and bit capacity diameter 3.2 mm, rated disc capacity diameter 25 mm, included accessories with a practical storage case. 3 years warranty. It is a comprehensive set for drilling, milling, engraving, polishing, grinding or cutting. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice case, I like it, durable, have all your accessories and tool inside. With a manual, of course. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Nothing else on the box. We have the power cord. It is about 2 meters, very convenient. Storage box with 47 piece accessories included inside. There are everything. With one combination wrench. One attachable LED work light with batteries. On-off switch, it is here. You can install that at the front. Press this button, it locks. And then you can unscrew that. And it goes here. And then you can screw back. Pressing the button, it locks. And of course you can install any of these accessories. Use the key. And tied it very well. That was all, so easy to install any of these accessories. Here we have the button for adjustable speed control. And it goes from 5,000, 9,000, 13,000, 17,000 and 23,000 RPM. It is the maximum. We have in this hook. You can have it anywhere that you want. A spiral cable. It goes about 1 meter, the length. Nice, I like that. The connection. It goes at the 12-volt table power transformer with a space for the tool and non-slip fit. There's the non-slip fit. At the base, definitely it will stay very secure. And you can connect that here. That was all. And the tool goes at this position. Nice. I like it. It is quite heavy, good construction, plastic, Parkside green and black. At the main tool we have an ergonomic rod shape with soft grip. Hold it just like that and start working. I like it. Overall I can say it is a very good construction. I like the shape. And of course you can use it for wood, metal, plastic, stone, ceramics and more. Now let's see one by one what accessories we have at the box. So many accessories. We have 6 HCS drilling bits. 2 mandrels as tool holders. You can use this for the 16 cutting discs or for the 4 grinding discs. And for the polishing discs, you can use these 2 accessories. Here we have 5 collect jacks. Another one is pre-install it at the tool. You need to insert one of these inside. It depends what of these accessories you will use. And then that it goes inside here and tied it with a nut. The same end for this. This is the metal brass, two of these in a gold and black. We have 3 milling bits and 2 engraving bits. Nice. And we have another brass here. Well, nice to have all these accessories. I think it's about time let's move on for test and see how it works, this tool. 5000 RPM, 9000, 13,000, 17,000, 23,000. And off. Now I have some materials. Let's start with a wood. This it is a precise tool. You need to do a precise work on any material. But I like it, definitely it can grind the wood very well. Or you can test it, let's say, on a metal. Of course, you can use other grinding bits. We have another 4 here, different dimensions. Now let's replace it. And I will use this disc, cutting disc. Goes here. Remove the screw. We have one nut. Install the disc at the screw. That goes here. One nut from the one side and from the other side. This is very sensitive. Definitely it can break very easy. Just tied it. Install that here. And we have, of course, and the light at the front. And again, you can use the wood, maybe to cut a piece of wood. Yep. Or this screw. Always wear a protective glass. You can increase the speed. It is on maximum. That was all. So easy. And of course we can test it and on this plastic, just to see if it can cut a small area. Yep, definitely it can do that. It is a precise tool. Or if you want, let's try it at this thick carbon. Yep. Now let's replace it and drill this wood with these drill bits. Well, let's use the smaller. Okay, for the smaller we need to use the other adapter. Remove this, and I think we need to use the smaller adapter. That. Yep, perfect. This is very precise job. Let's try and drill this wood. Wow! So easy, I like it. Like a dentist's work. Or let's try this plastic. Yep. Nice. At this. It is harder the material, ceramic, but definitely it can drill in a point. Nice. Now let's use these grinding discs. I will use the other adapter. Yep, that is okay. Maybe this copper tube. Yeah, why not? I like it. Or let's try it again at this metal tube. Nice. Now let's remove that and use one of the milling bits or engraving bits. I will use that. And you can do that at the wood. Without a problem, at this copper. Metal. Plastic. precise work at any material. Let's remove that again. And I will use the polishing. Yep. But first we need to remove one of these. And I will use that later. Okay, let's polish this metal. Yeah. You can use a wax if you want. Nice job. Or this copper. You can use this polishing for materials like shiny materials, let's say a diamond maybe. Why not? Let's use this brush. Oh, that it works better. Nice and shiny. So many materials to use. Now I'd like to use this for grinding on a glass. Let's remove that. This small. All that they have different front heads, thicker or thinner. It depends what you want to do, how much you want to grind something. Now let's see how it goes here. Nice! Without a problem. Nice, I like it. Beautiful. So many things to do with this tool. With this model making and engraving device. Amazing. And it only cost 27 euros. I think the price it is very good. Use your imagination, be creative and do so many things from metal, wood, plastic or glass with all these accessories included. It was a long video, I hope it was very helpful and decide if you want to buy this tool. The price is very low, the same and for the accessories, and you can drill, milling, engraving, polishing, grinding or cutting. I'm sure you will find the correct way and use this tool. Be creative, my viewers, that was all. And with that saying, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know whom you need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.